In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. The featured section is a great way to highlight your best work directly on your profile. It helps visitors quickly notice important content like posts, articles, links, or media that represent your experience, skills, or personal brand. If you want your profile to look more polished and intentional, this is a simple update that can make a big difference. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and click your profile photo at the top of the screen. From there, select View Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can edit and manage the different sections that other people see. Once you're on your profile, look for the Add Profile section button. You'll usually find this in your introduction area, sometimes called the top card. This is the section near the top of your profile that includes your headline and basic information. Click that button to open the menu with different profile options. Next, choose the recommended drop-down menu. This area includes useful sections that LinkedIn suggests adding to improve your profile. Inside that menu, click Add Featured. This is the option that lets you create a section specifically designed to showcase standout content. After that, click the plus icon. This is where you'll choose what type of content you want to feature. LinkedIn allows you to add different kinds of items, including posts, articles, links, or media. Think about what would be most useful for someone visiting your profile. For example, you might feature a strong post that got good engagement, an article you wrote, a link to a project, or media such as a presentation or document. Once you select the type of content you want to add, follow the prompts on the screen to attach the specific work sample. LinkedIn will guide you through the final setup depending on the content type you choose. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item and that it supports the impression you want your profile to make. When everything looks right, click Save. Your featured section will then appear on your profile, making that content easier for recruiters, clients, co-workers, and other visitors to find. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your LinkedIn profile more engaging and more professional by putting your best content front and center.